evaluate the integral of x 1 minus x squared all squared, that's the 1 minus x squared alone squared dx, by substituting u equals 1 minus x squared. Write this down, pause the video, and work it out. Now, I've worked this out before. What I got for the answer was 1/6 1 minus x cubed plus c. So, see if you get that when you work it out. You have finished, all right? Did you get that? Let's look at the question. Here, let me rewrite it. You have the integral of x 1 minus x squared dx. But at the same time, you let u equal 1 minus x squared. What that means is that you're integrating x times u squared dx. Now the aim is to write it as an integral of a function of u with respect to u. So you're going to have the integral of u along with any numbers that are there, du, alright? So if u, let us see what dx is equal to in terms of u. We have u equals 1 minus x squared. That means du by dx is equal to negative 2x. So if we transpose this to make dx a subject, dx is going to be du divided by negative 2x. Now we're going to substitute dx here. So what we have is the integral of x, the integral of x 1 minus x squared. Oh, we know that 1 minus x squared is u. So it is u squared that we have here. So it is u squared. Now, we have a dx here, but we want it as a function of u du. And hopefully, something will cancel this x. So, let's see how it goes. Let's get rid of this dx and put what it represents here. Dx is du over negative 2x, so it's du over negative 2x. Alright? Now, here, we're going to have the, let's rewrite it like this. Let's put it this way. This is the same thing as the integral of x u squared du divided by x multiplied by negative a half. You see that? So, here, this can be written as negative half, where you put the negative half outside the integral sign. Integral of x over x u squared du. You see that? So this is negative half integral of u squared du, because x divided by x, that's 1. Alright? Now, when you integrate this, what do you get? You have negative half u to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. Now, this is going to be same thing as negative half times 1/3 u to the power of 3 plus c, which is negative half times 1/3 is negative 1/236 u cubed plus c. But what was u again? U was 1 minus x squared. We need to write the final solution in terms of x, not u, because u wasn't there in the given question. So this is negative 1/6. U was 1 minus x squared, so we change u back to 1 minus x squared to the power of 3 plus c. Alright. Was that what I got? Oh, the negative. I should have the negative there. Negative 1/6. 1 plus x squared. What? 1 plus x squared is x squared, you know. U was 1 minus x squared, I mean. Squared. I left off the square. So u 1 negative 1/6, 1 minus x squared cube plus c.